Hi there, how are you doing? The weather here in Germany is really good and we are just making the most out of it. That's why I decided to come out and shoot for today's April Yoga Challenge 2020. Today's yoga asana is one of the most profound and most known asana, not only just in the yoga, but that is also symbolizes one of the avatar of Lord Vishnu. So that is called Simhasana, Asana. So this is a lion pose and we do it in 3 variations. Whatever is suiting you best, you can choose that. Before we start, I would like to show you how it's done, so let's get it started. Okay, in the first variation of doing a Simhasana, that you sit down with a cross leg. If possible, you can also sit in Siddhasana or just very simple in Sukhasana. Hands out open, straight spine, and your chin want to tuck down at the chest. Open your eyes wide, inhale deep, full breath, and exhale by making this lion sound. Full breath out, so you are able to feel your all 3 diaphragms. So we do it one more time. So this is one variation, and the other variation of doing that is that you sit down on your heels. Okay, just making sure that you're balanced. You're able to do it with having a balance. So now here, opening the palms wide or just open, eyes wide open. I'm looking in front of you in a straight spine, deep breath in. Open the eyes wide and exhale with this sound. This sound like a lion. So that's what we will do it for 3 times. And after that, we sit down and just observe our breath. So we start our challenge, 5 minutes, April Yoga Challenge 2020. Here we go. You are using the support of the heel. So your heels want to touch at your hips, so that way you're balanced well. And here, when you have this posture right and balanced, hands are open wide, spine straight, and we do it for 3 times. After that, we will sit down in the cross leg. Inhaling deep with me for 3 times. Holding the breath out, holding the breath out, slowly inhaling. Complete full breath, exhaling with the lion sound. Inhaling deep slowly. Last time. Full breath out, bring the tongue in, holding the breath out. Inhaling slowly, holding this breath, slowly sitting down with the cross leg, and before just getting on with your day, hands on your knees, straight spine, relaxed breath. Keeping a gentle smile from the corner of your lips and your eyes. Gently roll your shoulders, slowly open the eyes. So that was it. And Simhasana is one of the most powerful yoga pose ever. This is very good for your throat. This is very good for your 3 diaphragms. This is very good for your chest. This is very good for invoking this inherited confidence, this zeal that we have start to come out. You feel more energetic, you feel more lightheaded. So this pose is very profound. I highly recommend. And one tip, if you are snoring, or if you know somebody is snoring in your family or the friends, you recommend them this pose. They do it for a few times every day. They will find so much improvement in their snoring. People will be happy who are sleeping beside them. So this is ultimate posture to improve the snorings as well. So that was it. Simhasana 5 minutes of April Yoga Challenge 2020 with me, Manoj, on Manoyogi YouTube channel. I invite you again and want to remind you to invite your friends and ask them to join the challenge so they can also benefit from it. I want to thank you so much and I wish you a wonderful day, and I see you tomorrow for April Yoga Challenge 2020. Bye for now.